Estimated rainfall, though, from the past 24 hours, we did deal with periods of heavy torrential rain at times for a few areas, especially east of Lexington, Mount Sterling over to Moorhead as well. Taking a closer look at some of the area Kentucky mesonet sites, Morgan County, Rowan County, Bath County, all reporting over an inch. Notice Madison County, though, the mesonet site there, 1/10 of an inch. So a stark difference between Clark County and Madison County. So it was isolated as we expected in terms of where we would see that heavier rain. Right at an inch in Owsley County, Knott County, just shy of an inch there, and barely over 1/10 of an inch into Knox County as well. Today, more rain and storms on the way, this time likely coming in 2 rounds. First round moves in during the midday. Viper radar is mainly quiet right now. And then the second round moves in towards the evening hours. This is what's going to fire up those showers and storms during the midday. You can see a little piece of energy try to spin through northern Tennessee and western Kentucky. And then we'll be tracking storms out ahead of that cold front to our west. That'll be moving in during the evening hours. So timing things out here with Futurecast. The morning's mainly dry. Radar begins to fill up right around lunchtime, very similar to how it did yesterday. And conditions when it's not raining, it's going to be pretty muggy out there today as well. First round exits, we get a little bit of a break, and it's going to be a little breezy during this brief break as well before that secondary round of showers and storms moves in during the evening hours. Could be heavy at times, particularly if we get this little bit of a line that Futurecast is trying to show. This would be some training where you could see some heavier rainfall amounts right along our southern Kentucky parkways. Now, I wouldn't really take the exact location of that to heart because it could be anywhere that we see that threat. That's why we have that low wind or the isolated risk of flash flooding today, because not everywhere is going to experience it, but within those heavier downpours, within areas that see multiple storms, that would be our highest chance of seeing that. Now on Thursday, a secondary front passes through, brings us a slight chance of a shower or a storm, but it's also going to bring us that shot of refreshing air. Future rainfall totals through the day today. Again, notice where we were seeing that training taking place into southern Kentucky. Over an inch possible there. Most areas 1/2 inch to an inch, but obviously some heavier downpours could result in heavier rainfall amounts. The muggy cast really tells the story. So first front moves through late this evening into early Thursday. That brings us refreshing air, obviously, but then that secondary front on Thursday is really going to be making it feel pretty dry and comfortable out there for Friday, and that should continue into the weekend with just some isolated rain chances around. Today, occasional rain and storms could be heavy at times, again during the midday and then again during the evening hours. Tonight falling into the mid-60s, rain and storms early, looking drier as you head out the door for your Thursday. And looking ahead at your full 7-day forecast, breezy as that secondary front moves through on Thursday, looking nice for Friday. Rain chances start to creep back into the picture Sunday and into early next week, but look at those temperatures remaining in the mid to upper 70s after your day on Thursday.